Q7, Q5, Q3, Q1. So first problem of n queen is I have to place the n queens in n tuples. Total 8 tuples are there. In that 8 queens we have to
Excuse me,
place.
sir.
Point 1. Emma,
Sir, the slides are not changing, sir.
slides are not changing, right? Pratisha, what you are getting?
8 queens problem, sir. Now I can see the example.
Right, the slides are changing.
Yes, sir.
Right. So take this example. Just I given it is a partial solution. In that I placed this first 4 queens in the first 4 tuples. So our agenda is I have to place 8 queens in the 8 rows. In the partially I place the 4 queens. My solution problem is I have to place the next 4 queens in the 4. That means 1, 2, 3, 4. That is Q2, Q4, Q6, Q8. 4 queens I have to in the queen. So suppose if I want to place in this row queen, my intention is suppose if I want to place here, it is the column conflict. It is the diagonal conflict. How we will check that? Simply just I explained. Row conflict and column conflict identified with respect to I comma j value. If I value is equal to, then it is the row conflict. If j value is equal to the column conflict. So then I have to check whether it is a feasible or not this place. I have to check. How we will check the feasible or not? So by applying the formula for this one, j minus l is equal to minus k. J minus l is equal to j. If this is the j minus l. J minus l. J value is 1. So its position is 1, comma 4. Sorry, 4, comma 1. Fourth row, first column. This is 4, comma 5, comma 2. So that value is placed in the equation, then we will get the 1, 1. So there is a chance to occurrence of column conflict with respect to Q1. So that is there is a column conflict with respect to this one. So simply discard that place and move to the next place. So this is not feasible. This is not feasible. This is the column conflict. This is the diagonal conflict. What about this? This is the column conflict. What about this position? So it is a check it is feasible or not. So there is no conflict with respect to other queen. Then I have to place the Q4 in this location. So I placed the queen 4. Why? Because it is a Q4. This is the 1. This is the 2. This is the 3. This is the 4. Q4 I have to place in the corresponding position. So while placing the Q4, I need to check conflicts. It is whether row or column or diagonal. So it satisfies all constraints. So that is why I have placed the Q4 on the 4th column in the 5th row. So 5th row is filled. So that the position is filled. So next, so this is completed. So next I have to check. I have to check and I have to place only these 3 queens only. This is the 2. This is the 4 is completed. This is the 6. This is 8 only. So rest of are the column conflicts. Why? Because these 4 are the partial solutions. Next I have to check with 2. I have to place with the 2. Second queen. Second Q2 means this is the place. Check this one. This is. So this is my 6th position. This is the 6th tuple. This is the 6th tuple. Check with the conflict or not. So it is a conflict with respect to Q7. By applying the equation j minus l is equal to I minus y while substituting the corresponding value. This is the Q7 means it is a 1, comma 7. This is the Q means when suppose if I placed here, this is the 6, comma 2. So that value substitute on this one, I will get the equal and Why? Because it is a column conflict with respect to Q7. So it is not feasible. So it is not feasible. 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 So then I have to check this position, Q6 position. So simply discard the Q2, then check the Q6. Again, I have to check the conflict with respect to 6. 6 means 6 by 6. So while substituting that value with Q3, again I will get the 3 value. So both are equal means there is a diagonal conflict with respect to 3. So in the sixth position is not feasible solution. So that is why it is not also not feasible. Then Q is not feasible. Then I have to place the Q8. That means the column 8 in the sixth tuple. So simply I place the only one possibility is there for this. Clear? I place the sixth Q at the sixth tuple with Q8. So this is the sixth tuple. To place the seventh pin, this is the seventh tuple. Suppose if I want, so only two columns are left. This one, second, this, that is 6. Q2 is possible or not? I have to check. Q2. This Q2 is possible or not? Check this one. Q2 is possible. Q2 is possible or not? Q2 is conflict with this Q4. Simply diagonal conflict. Simply diagonal conflict. So this is the 5, 4. This is sorry. This is 4. This is 8. This is expression. So 2 is conflict with 4. So 4 minus 2 is equal to 5 minus 7 is equal to. Both give the same value. That is why this possible. This is not possible. It is not feasible to place the Q2 at second column. Next, I have to check the next feasible possible chance is 6. 6. When I place the 6 here, it is not also possible. Why? Because it is also a conflict with the Q4 with respect to diagonal conflict of 135. It is a 45 degrees. It is a 45 degrees. So both places are not feasible. So automatically the solution tree is stopped. So why? Because in this not possible, the not possible, all things are not possible. So automatically here in this way you can able to place only 6 queens in the table. So according to the rule of n queen problem, I have to place the 8 queens on the board. So by using the method, I can able to place only 6 queens. Not possible to Q2 and Q6 on the same board. So it is not feasible. Then I have to apply the backtrack. So backtrack. So previously here I would check this one. So this is not possible. So automatically I have to apply the backtrack. Backtrack means previously here I will go to the previous step. Previous step means remove the Q8. Why? Because it is one possible solution. Then go to the Q4. Go to the Q4. That means simply when the previous position the previously I placed the Q8. So if Q8 is placed in the 8th position, that means this table, this 6 tuple plus the Q, it is not a feasible solution. It does not give the possible solution. That is why simply backtrack to the previous place. So that means simply go to here. That means I have to change the Q4 place. I have to change the Q4 place. So where I have to change? So then first step is I have to backtrack to here, again backtrack to here. 2 places I have backtrack. Then where I have to stay at the Q4. So we will get the Q4 problem here. So here the Q4 position is not suitable to place in this column. So automatically next feasible solution is this one and this one. Automatically next I have to place the Q6 here. So this is by applying the backtracking. Simply I change the this fifth tuple place from Q4 to Q6. So it is one more feasible solution method. Simply I have to place Q6 in the fifth tuple. This is so 753 of 1 is the fix. It is a partial solution. So next I place the 6 in the queuing in the sixth column with the fifth, that is 5 comma 6. So again same process is continued. So from 6 fifth tuple is completed, then I have to go to 7th. So to place in the sixth tuple, I can able to place only second, 4, already 6 placed 8. I have to check in this Q2 is possible or not. Q2 possible or not. If I place the Q2 here, you check the diagonal conflict. Check the diagonal conflict with respect 7. 7 means it is a 1 comma 7. It is the 2 comma 6. Sorry, 6 comma 2. So it is a diagonal conflict is this one. So the automatically shell is not feasible. So alternate next one is so 2, 4, 8. 3 possibilities are there. From this 2 is not feasible. I have to place the Q4. This is the one feasible solution. Automatically Q4 is feasible. It does not give any conflicts to place the Q4 on the sixth column, sixth tuple. So present I place the Q4. So this is the that is Q4 place, Q6 place. So after placing 6, sixth row is completed. Next I have to plan for seventh row. Seventh row. So to place seventh row, only 2 feasibles are available. One is the second queen and eighth king. So if I place Q2, so there is no conflict with this Q2, then I have placed the Q2 in that place. Q2 in that place. So they place the Q2 in the seventh tuple. Next, I have to place the Q8. Q8, only one feasible is there. In that I place the Q8. So while placing the Q8 in the last one, so while checking the diagonal conflict, so I get some conflicts with respect to Q3. Q3 and Q8. That means Q8 is not unable to place in the 8th row because of it is a diagonal conflict with Q3. So it is not suitable place. So automatically what we have to do? I have to apply the backtrack again. I have to apply the backtrack. So backtrack. So it is not suitable. Then I have to apply the backtrack technique. So 8 to previous one. So from the previous one, again I have to check is there any alternative solution not possible. Again I have to backtrack. Again to backtrack. So previously from to here, next from to here. So next I have to move to there only. So present I am at Q6. Q6. So from the Q6, Q4 is not feasible. Q4 is not feasible. Q5. Then there is chance to place the Q8. 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 Feasible or not? So it is a feasible. So that is why I placed the Q8. So from the 8th row to 7th, 7th to 6th, 7th, then in the Q4 there is alternative chance is there. That is the this column. I have to place the queen in the 6th row, 8th column. That is Q8. Simply I place the queen at the 6th row, 8th column. It is a feasible. So present I place the 8. 2 more queens I have to place. That is the 7th and 8th. 7th and 8th. So that is next. This is the given from. I can able to place only two keys, that is a 2 and 4 I have to place. So from this I have to check whether it is feasible or not in the Q2. So it is a feasible. It is the feasible. So there is conflict with respect to Q2. So after that I have to place Q4. Then I will get the complete solutions of given partial product. Therefore, the given problem is this one. 75316824 is the solution of 8-queen problem. This is 7, 5, 3, 1, 6, 8, 2, 4. So this is the solution for our partial problem. So in this step, I have to check time to time this column conflict. Whenever the feasible solution is not possible, simply apply the backtracking method to previous position, whether it is feasible or not. If it is not feasible, then I have to move to the alternative path. So this is the backtracking concept of n-queen problem. N-queen problem. Pratisha?
Yes, sir.
Again you will explain the same problem.
Sir,
I will give the
I
extents to you.
didn't understand everything properly, sir.
Actually ఏంటంటే ప్రాబ్లం ఏంటంటే చూడమ్మా, I have to place the 8 queens on the 8x8 chessboard.
Yes, sir.
So in this we need to check the conflict. అంటే same queens can't place in the same row, same column, same diagonal.
Yes, sir.
So if same row means if I value is same, simply the Q position is identified in the same row. Matrix
Yes, sir.
Ij.
Yes.
J value is same, the elements in the same column.
Yes, sir.
So no need to specific check the specific conflict for row and column. Depends on the I value and J value, easily identified. But while diagonal conflicts, I have to check this corresponding equation. J minus L is equal to I minus K, where I comma J is the one queen, K comma L is the one more queen. Two queens I have to check. This is a placed queen. This is the have to place in the on the chessboard.
Okay, sir.
So by substituting that value in that equation, it both came the same. So there is a conflict, and that cell is not feasible to place the queen.
Yes, sir.
So on that way, if any conflicts are occurs, then alternative cell is free or not, I have to check. If free cell is available, then simply move to the queen on that place. If not available, simply apply the backtrack.
Okay, sir.
ఓకే, మీకు క్లారిటీ ఉందిగా? ఇప్పుడు చెప్పమ్మా. These 4 are the given tuples. So my intention ఏంటి? 8 rows లో 8 queens place చేయడం నా intention. So already first row placed with 7th column queen, that is right, given.
Yes, sir.
Second row placed with 5th column element 2, 5.
Yes, sir.
Third row this one. Fourth row is placed this one. This partial product is given. Next I have to place these 4 rows, 4 tuples.
Yes, sir.
So from this I have to place the second column queen, 4th column queen, 6th column queen and 8th column queen. Only 4 I have to place.
Okay, sir.
So next what I have to place? This 5th row, 5th tuple. So that is
2, sir.
so main so 2. Suppose if I place queen here, is there any problem or not?
Diagonal conflict from Q1.
How you can say it is a diagonal conflict? In
Because
a
we check
pictorial
the
point of view, you can easily identify, right? You
yes,
figure చూడంగానే identify చేస్తున్నావు. But
yes,
according the formula, how you will identify? I have to substitute that value in the j minus l comma I minus k, right? This one, this one.
yes, sir.
So Q1 values are 4
Same.
comma 1, right? This placing
Yes,
Q in problem is 5 comma
2.
2. So that value, if I that value substitute in that equation, both values are.
Yes, sir.
So automatic, what is that? It is a diagonal conflict.
Yes, sir.
So that is why it is not feasible to place the key, right?
Yes, sir.
So alternative. So one is there. How many are there? 2, 4, 6, 8. From this, not possible.
Yes, sir.
So what is the next possibilities? 4, 6, 8.
Yes, sir.
So suppose if I place the Q4, that means in that column Q. Check the diagonal conflicts. Is there any diagonal conflict or not?
No, sir.
So that is why I placed Q4 in that place, right?
Yes, sir.
First step is completed. So it is suitable or not. After completion of complete problem, you can able to identify. Otherwise, you need to check time to time. Anytime you can able to try. So that
Okay,
is
sir.
why its background does not change. So it is temporary solution only Q4.
Yes, sir.
Okay, right. Just what you've done Q4. That means fifth tuple is placed with fourth column element. That is.
Yes, sir.
So that is why that fifth tuple is filled with Q4, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, next. Is placed. For the next, what you have to place? 1, 2, 6, 8. 3 only pending.
Yes, sir.
So from this, again I have to check 2 is feasible or not.
It has a diagonal conflict according to the formula.
Which one?
A Q2.
Just I placed the Q2, right?
Yes, sir.
So it is a feasible solution or not? This cell is. This is the placing element in the 6th row, right?
Yes, sir.
This is feasible or not? I have to check the I comma j. This is the k comma l, right?
Yes, sir.
I comma j with all elements 1, 3, 5, 7, and 4.
Okay. Should we even check with the new element also?
Remaining all queens which are placed on the board.
Okay, okay, sir.
So if suppose if I place the Q2 in this one, I need to check with Q1, Q3, Q4, Q5, and Q7.
Okay, sir.
So it is that by substituting that when the conflict occurred in the Q7.
Q7. Yes, sir.
Yes, this is the Q7. So that is why it is not a feasible solution.
Yes, sir.
Remaining possibilities are
6 and 8.
6, right? It is 8, right?
Yes, sir.
Next, I just check with Q6 placed here. This is the Q.
Yes, sir.
It is a 6 comma 6, right?
Yes, sir.
Again, I have to check the values with 1, 4, 3, 5, 7.
Yes, sir.
Is there any conflict?
At Q3, sir.
Yeah, by substituting this value with Q3, maybe exist in the same diagram.
Yes, sir.
So it is not also not feasible.
Yes, sir.
Remaining place is
8.
Q8. Then I
Yes.
place the Q8.
Yes.
Again, I verified the remaining queens. It is not there are any conflicts. That is why I placed the Q8 in this position.
Yes, sir.
So 6th tuple is placed with the queen 8.
Q8.
Okay.
Yes,
So
sir.
what is the pending? 7th and 8th I have to place.
Yes, sir.
Right. So only which one is 7th and 8th tuples? Only 2 and
Q2 and
6,
Q6.
2 are pending.
Yes, sir.
Suppose if I place the Q2 here, this is in the 7th row.
Yes, sir.
Is there any conflict?
Yes, sir. Conflict with Q4.
Q4, and that means it is not feasible.
Yes, sir.
So alternative is this is the Q6.
Yes, Q6 also has the same issue with Q4.
Q4. So that means Q6, that means the 7th tuple, no feasible solution to place the queen.
Yes, sir.
So that means our feasible solution is not suitable to give the complete, that means complete solution.
Yes, sir.
So what we have to do? Immediately we have to move to the previous position to change the previous queen.
Okay, sir.
The previous king Q8 is there, right?
Yes, sir. Q8.
Praja are at 7th position. Then I move it goes to the 6th position. Apply the backtracking.
Okay, sir.
By applying the backtracking, 7th to 6th
6.
movement is done. This is the track.
Yes, sir.
But there is no alternative cell for the Q, right? Only
Yes,
one
sir.
feasible solution is there, right?
Yes, sir.
Again, to check the previous position.
Okay, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So Q4, go to the Q4. So Q2 is not possible, Q4 is not possible, right?
Yes, sir.
So we have to try for Q6.
Okay.
Yes, why? Because 2 is not possible, 4 is not possible, 2 possibilities are there, 6 and 8.
Yes, sir.
Then I have to plan for 6, right?
Yes, sir.
So that is why I place that simply saying it is Q4 is not feasible solution. By applying the backtracking, Q6 is placed.
Okay, sir.
Yes, again same process will continue. What is the next step? That is fifth row is fifth tuple is completed, right?
Yes, sir.
Fifth tuple is filled. Next I have to fill 6, 7 and 8.
Yes, sir.
6, 7 and 8. Pratisha, next step no cheppamma.
Start with Q2, sir. But it has a diagonal conflict with Q7.
So okay, possibilities are 2, 4, 8.
Yes, sir.
Okay, remaining are columns are filled, right?
Yes, sir.
Suppose if I place the Q2.
Yes, sir. But it has conflict with Q7.
7, conflict with the 7. So it
Yes.
is not feasible. It is not.
Yes, not feasible.
So remaining are 4 and
8.
8. 4 is feasible. There is no column conflict. There is no row conflict. There is no diagonal conflict. So it is a feasible.
Yes, sir.
So simply place the Q4.
Q4.
So 1 to 6 rows are completed. Remaining 2 tuples are there, right?
Yes, sir.
That means 2 rows.
Yes, sir.
So from the 2 rows, I have to place 2 queens. 2 or
2 and
8.
Q8.
Ante kada?
Yes, sir.
Suppose if I place the Q2, it is a feasible or not?
It's feasible, sir.
It is feasible. That is why it's the Q2 here, right?
Yes, sir.
No problem. So next, one more chance is there.
Q8.
Only one column is there, Q8.
Yes, sir.
Suppose if I place Q8, it is conflict with Q3, right?
Yes, sir.
By applying the J minus L is equal to I minus K is equal to 5, right?
Yes, sir.
So this is not a feasible solution to satisfy the 8-pin problem, right?
Yes, sir.
What we have to do?
Backtrack.
Back. So in this there is no alternative, that is to move to the previous step. Yes? Remove
Yes.
the Q8. 8th tuple నుంచి 7th కి వెళ్ళాం.
Yes,
So
sir.
check in the 7th there is any possibilities are there.
No,
So
sir.
why? Because only this one and this one two only there, right?
Yes, sir.
Suppose if I place here Q8, again we will get the diagonal conflict.
Yes, sir.
So it is not feasible. Apply the backtrack,
Yes.
right? That means go to the previous position.
Okay, sir.
So in the previous position already Q6 is placed, right?
Yes, sir.
The Q4 not feasible. Previously we placed the Q4 here, right?
Yes, sir.
So what is the remaining? Q2 is not feasible, Q4 is not feasible, then alternative is Q8 is feasible, right?
Yes, sir.
So they have to place the Q8 here. So that is why,
Okay.
right?
Yes, sir.
Remaining tuples are
Q4 and Q2. In
7
the
and tuples,
Yes, sir.
7 and tuples and column Q2 and Q4, right?
Yes, sir.
So 2, 4. So next I have to check I have to place the Q here. Is there any conflict?
No, sir.
So this position is feasible for tuple 7 with Q2, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, right. I place the Q2 at the 7th tuple.
Okay.
Next remaining is
Q4.
this one, Q4. That is I placed this one.
Yes.
Is there any conflict?
No, sir.
No. So this is the final solution. So what is the solution? 7, 5, 3, 1 is given. 6, 8, 2, 4 is the. So this is the complete solution of given 8-kin problem.
Yes, sir. Understood, sir.
Right. If anybody have doubts on the n-kin problem, it is very important. Anybody ask the doubts? $39.
Yes,
Did you get this problem?
yes, sir, understood.
Right, 30. Srikar, Nava.
సార్ ఉన్నా సార్
ఏమి ఈ ప్రాబ్లం ఎన్పిన్ ప్రాబ్లం అర్థమైందా?
అర్థమైంది సార్.
నిన్న వెళ్ళలేదు కదా, ఈరోజు ఎట్ట అర్థమైందా నీకు? ఓకే,
చదువుకున్నా సార్ నేను.
వాట్ ఈస్ ద డయాగ్నల్ కాన్ఫ్లిక్ట్ స్పీకర్? నేను ఒక స్లైడ్ చూపిస్తే ఇందులో డయాగ్నల్ కాన్ఫ్లిక్ట్ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేయి. దిస్ ఈస్ ద డయాగ్నల్ కాన్ఫ్లిక్ట్. ఒకసారి స్టడీ చేయి. So in the NPin problem, implicity constraints are 3: row conflict, column conflict, and diagonal with respect to 45 degrees, with respect to 135 degrees. So by combining these, I will get the common formula, this one. explain it. What are the explicit constraints of this n-queen problem?
సార్
Explicit ఇప్పుడు మనకి బ్యాక్ ట్రాకింగ్ లో మెయిన్ గా 2 words ఉన్నాయి. ఇంప్లిసిట్ కన్స్ట్రైంట్స్ అండ్ ఎక్స్ప్లిసిట్ కన్స్ట్రైంట్స్ టు సాటిస్ఫై ద క్రైటీరియా ఫంక్షన్ అనేది మెయిన్ స్టేట్మెంట్ ఇన్ ద బ్యాక్ ట్రాకింగ్. So for the n-queen problem, what are the explicit constraints that specify the boundaries?
కే అండ్ ఎల్ సార్.
Explicit constraints are the 8 queens. It is a 8 by 8 chessboard. That is n-queen is equal to n by n chessboard you have to use. Here n is the specifies n queens is the explicit constraints. That means 1 to n, 1 to 8 are the explicit constraints for the 8 queen problem. And then we can able to place 8 queens only. Implicit constraints are the row conflict, column conflict, and diagonal conflict. Okay, Srikhar?
సార్.
Difference అర్థమైందా?
సార్.
సో మీకు మిడ్ ఎగ్జామ్స్ లో బ్లూమ్స్ లెవెల్ అడగమన్నారు కానీ ఇలాంటి క్వశ్చన్లు అడుగుతారు మోస్ట్లీ. ఏ క్వశ్చన్ ఎలా వచ్చినా కానీ యూ కెన్ ఏబుల్ టు అటెంప్ట్. సో దట్ ఈస్ ఎనీ డౌట్స్? సందీప్, సందీప్ ఉన్నాడా? చందు, ఓకే. This is the problem of n-queen problem. Tomorrow I will explain the sum of subsets. Are any doubts from the previous units, that is 1, 4 and 2? Next week I think mostly have exams, that is why. Even doubts unte adagandi, I will explain. So I got the instruction from the management or director sir. So the question paper pattern must be different. That means the material is not available on internet or textbook. So generally we will give the questions to you. That is why without knowing the concept you are unable to attempt the exam. That is why if you have any doubts, simply raise hands. Any type of questions.
Sir, can you give important questions for mids?
We are discussing with the remaining professors also. Just I prepared the most of questions from 3 units, but it is the questions bank related to the 5 sections. So that is why we need to discuss with other faculty, and maybe mostly by tomorrow I will share with you, send to you.
Okay. Sir, how are we supposed to submit the assignment, sir?
I already deadline given 29th.
No, so how are we supposed to submit it? Like through email or Google Classroom or something like that?
Okay. First you wrote the exam and keep the soft copy with you. On 28th or 29th I give you the proper channel.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay. If you have a pen you can able to fight. అంటే మీరు రెడీగా ఉండాలి. అది మీరు క్లాస్ దగ్గర పెట్టుకోండి, నేను ఏ టైంలో చెప్పచ్చు. So at that moment I don't listen any stories related to the assignment. So any doubts? Srikar,
Sir,
doubts ఉంటే అడుగు.
ఇప్పుడైతే ఏం లేవు సార్. నాకు డౌట్ ఇస్తే డెఫినెట్గా రీచ్ అవుట్ అవుతా.
Okay, feel free to talk.
షూర్ సార్.
చదవడం స్టార్ట్ చేశారు అసలు?
సార్
చదవడం స్టార్ట్ చేశారా?
సార్.
Present, sir.
506,
ప్రజెంట్
511,
సార్.
527,